Disadvantages and effects of Khat among the Somali community. Khat Catha edulis is a stimulant plant widely used in Somali communities. While some see it as a social tradition, its widespread consumption has significant negative consequences, affecting health, economy, and social well-being. 1. Health effects. Physical health. Cardiovascular issues, increased heart rate, high blood pressure, and risk of heart disease. Digestive problems causes gastritis, constipation, and oral health issues, tooth decay, gum disease, appetite suppression, and malnutrition. Chronic users may suffer from weight loss and nutritional deficiencies. Insomnia and fatigue leads to sleep disturbances, reducing productivity. Mental health, addiction, and dependency. Regular use creates psychological dependence, anxiety, and depression. Long-term use can trigger or worsen mental health conditions, psychosis, and hallucinations. High doses may lead to paranoia and hallucinations. 2. Economic impact. Financial strain. Many users spend a significant portion of their income on Khat, leading to poverty, reduced productivity. Khat use often results in absenteeism and reduced work efficiency. Family financial burden affects household finances, leaving families struggling to meet basic needs. 3. Social and family consequences. Family conflicts and divorce. Many marriages suffer due to Khat-related financial and behavioral issues. Neglect of responsibilities. Users often neglect work, education, and family obligations. Youth influence and crime. Khat use among youth is linked to delinquency and dropping out of school. 4. Religious and cultural concerns. Religious perspective. Many Islamic scholars consider Khat consumption haram forbidden due to its harmful effects. Erosion of cultural values. Excessive use leads to laziness, idleness, and loss of traditional work ethic. Conclusion. While some defend Khat as a cultural norm, its negative consequences on health, economy, and social stability outweigh any perceived benefits. Addressing this issue requires public awareness, government intervention, and community-based solutions to reduce its impact.